In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with email automations using Mailchimp. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to streamline your email marketing efforts, this guide will help you set up your first automation in a few easy steps. Before we dive in, let's make sure you have set up your Mailchimp account and are logged in. Having everything prepared will ensure a smooth process. First, head over to Mailchimp. If you're on your computer, open up your preferred web browser and type in Mailchimp in the search bar, or simply go to the Mailchimp website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. The homepage of Mailchimp is where you'll see a variety of options to explore, but what we're focusing on today is setting up automations. Next, make your way to the Automations section. This is usually found in the main menu, often represented with an icon that looks like a series of connected dots or a workflow. Click on it, and this will take you to where all the magic happens. Here, you'll have the option to create a new automation. You can either start from scratch if you have a unique process in mind, or choose from a selection of predefined templates that Mailchimp offers. These templates are designed to make your life easier, providing a foundation you can build upon without starting from the very beginning. Selecting a template can save time while still giving you flexibility in design and function. Once you've figured out your starting point, it's time to roll up your sleeves and input the necessary details. Begin by naming your automation. This name should be something descriptive that will help you easily identify the purpose of this workflow later on. Next, choose the trigger for your automation. This is essentially the action or event that will start your automation, such as a new subscriber joining your list or an anniversary date. Mailchimp offers a variety of trigger options to suit different needs, so select the one that best aligns with your goal. Upon setting your trigger, proceed to customize your emails within the automation. You can specify what emails to send, their content, and the sequence at which they are dispatched. Take your time here, ensuring that the content of your emails is engaging and relevant. This is your chance to connect meaningfully with your subscribers, so focus on crafting messages that resonate with your audience. Once everything is configured to your satisfaction, you're all set. Review your automation to ensure everything is in place and click Start or Activate to set your automation live. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an automated email flow in Mailchimp. With every new subscriber or trigger event, your skills in email marketing will grow along with your list. Keep monitoring the performance of your automation and adjust as necessary to optimize for better engagement and results. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Happy automating!